How to review story activity on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to review story activity on Facebook mobile. First thing we're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click these three lines here and go down until you find settings and privacy and then click settings, and now just go down until you find this one, activity log. Click on it and then just click story activity, and here you can review story activity on Facebook mobile. It's easy of course, and and that's how to review story activity on Facebook mobile, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video.